If the car represents one thing about Sonderwunsch, it is freedom. The freedom to transform an extraordinary dream and vision into a Porsche, ultimately one of its kind.
So when I first saw the concept, my first question was, how are we making this road legal? I feel immense respect and even a sense of awe just thinking about how many thousands of hours have gone into this project. To understand the car, you first have to understand where it comes from. The shape is deeply rooted in the 935, a very historic race car which started in the 1970s. The goal was not to recreate a 935, but to transfer its spirit and its soul into a completely new car. One of the key aspects of increasing the performance was losing weight. We really looked at every single gram.
This car was not configured, it was created. Co-created between an enthusiastic customer and his dedicated Sonderwunsch project team.